Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to stop or uninstall the actions that you have been programmed or you have been set into your iPhone. So please, before you watch this video, take a look on the previous video with the title how the way we remove the bookmarks on the home screen, because this video is gonna be like correlated. Why? Because deleting the bookmarks from your home screen, it will not gonna help you to stop or uninstall the program on your iPhone. So basically, how to uninstall the program, you just need to open the app library and just type shortcuts, and then just need to go click it. Right after that, you just need to take a look on this bottom side here. Make sure that you are stay in the shortcuts section. There will be like three sections here: shortcuts, the automations, and gallery. So this gallery is containing a lot of I will say like a comment that you can use. So but then you need to visit the shortcuts and you just need to pick the actions that you have been programmed before. Since the program that I just created is open the URL, I will let to delete it. So you just need to go click this three small dots, and right after that, oh my bad, you just need to go click this select, and then you just need to go click the circles and go click delete. Confirm that you want to delete the shortcuts, and that will be disappear. So now those action is perfectly uninstalled from your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.